How to add friends in Apex Legends Mobile. First of all, you want to click on the little person icon with a plus next to it on the left hand side of the screen. That should bring up this page where you'll see a little box next to Advanced Search. Click on that and then you want to type in the person's username. So once you've done that, type it in, click Done, then that should bring up the person's profile, where again you'll see the little square with the person icon and plus on it. Click on that. That will send them a friend request, and then on their end they'll want to go to the friends section, and then at the bottom right hand corner you'll see requests. Click on that, then all they need to do is click accept. Also, there is a video in the link in the description below and at the end of the video if you want to send it to your friend about how to accept it if they don't know. But if you want to add random people who you've just played with, you can click on that left hand side of the screen again, and that should bring up the people you've played with in previous games. You can click add friend there and you can kind of invite them and play with them again if you want to. So that's how you do that. Leave a like on the video and subscribe if it was helpful.